All right, we're here at 6290 Commodore Sloat. This is like a house, folks. Old school classic. 750 square foot, one bedroom, tons of sunlight, tons of windows. This place is awesome. Floor heating, dining area with more windows. Look at this brand new flooring in the kitchen, tile, quartz countertops, more windows, new cabinetry, a second entrance for a good cross breeze, stainless steel, looking good, looking awesome. Let's head on in here to the hallway with massive closet space. I mean, look at that. Nice. Got another closet right back here, and then, another closet right there. How about this? New quartz, new tile. Nice. Low flow toilets. Nice and clean, just remodeled. Look at the bedroom. Big. And more closet space. That's a walk-in closet too. So pretty much here you got the nicest styles around here for layouts. It's just really, really nice. You're gonna love it.